Okay, quick little demo for the effects I made, the Neopixel effects. And it's the little ESP32 board there, bench power supply running at 5 volts. Obviously very low amps at the moment because no Neopixels are on. So they're 60 pixels per meter, size 30-35. Start demo. That's just my rainbow effect, and it's showing you how it can rotate the colours up, rotate the colours back. Oh, the pixels, whatever they are. Just a rotation effect. That's just using my rainbow colour effect, spreading it out and reducing it down. That's just a hue colour wheel. Obviously that's not my effect, that's just rotating through the hue colour wheel. One dead pixel there. Don't worry about him. So this is my 2 colour, and I'm just setting it blue red, and then I'm setting it red blue so it looks like they're flashing backwards and forwards. But you can set any 2 colours you want of whatever length you want them. This is my insert pixel and remove pixel. So I insert pixels, remove pixels out. Insert pixels, when you remove the pixels out, places new ones at the back side. So, and I'm doing it right at the centre, but you can place it anywhere you want along the strand. A few of the little effects I created. Wouldn't mind creating a whole heap more, but they're just a couple that come to mind at the moment. Interesting effects.